Grade 1 Lesson 3 श्रद्धू सुहानी आई The pleasant season games. देखो श्रद्धू सुहानी आई चारों ओर खड़ा है चाइस. देखो next pleasant, let's see the pleasant season games that spread that stick the clouds on the four sides. Kada means clouds. Kada means clouds. दादी उपहार गई लाते उपहार gift. The grandparents are bring a gift. मन को भी खूब हर्षाते. मन को भी खूब हर्षाते. The gift is more enjoyable for us mind. So you need the explanation, reading and writing practice of these chapters. Then feel free, comment it and join our membership online class 1. Thank you very much.